How's it going, guys? Yomtosh here, back with another Jailbreak Wednesday. And just before I get into the tweaks of today, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys who've been supporting me. I really appreciate it. We're nearly at 1,000 subs right now, and I guess Jailbreak Wednesday is still going okay. The side videos are not doing too bad though, even though they're not very relevant. But I'm happy making these videos, and I hope you guys like it or continue to like it. So let's get into the tweaks for today. So the first tweak is called fujixi, so Fuji 11, and take a look at my lock screen. That's kind of like the Mac OS lock screen. It took a while to get there, but it does get there after it shows my other stuff. And it says John Appleseed, and press home to unlock. You can change the icon and you can change the name as well. And you press home and you're back into your home screen, yeah, that's it. And the next trick is called callbarx, and this basically gives you the razor chroma colors in your home bar. So look at the way it's like moving from different colors, which is really nice, almost like a rainbow effect. I do have by home bar X, so it's gonna turn off after a bit, but it has a nice color effect, blue to green and so on. So that's great. So the next tweak is called callbarx, and this one is one of the older tweaks. So you guys are probably well aware that when you get a call, it just takes over your whole screen and it stops you from doing whatever you were doing, which is something Samsung did right. But with callbarx, you can get like a small notification call bar as it is. And I'll just show you. I'm just making a call to this phone right now, and you should see it come up in just a second. And there it is. So that's callbarx, and it looks really good. For this next tweak, the developer reached out to me and it was really nice. He gave me this tweak to show you guys today. It's called Modern Respring Pack, and it's really cool. So I haven't used Respring logos since like iOS 10 because there was like some issue with Yalu and Respring logos, but Anemone supports it. So I'm going to show you what the Respring logos look like from the Modern Respring Pack. So it's as simple as just respringing your device, which I'll do right here. And there is one logo right there. So this is the Polygon logo, and it looks really cool. It looks like kind of like Watch Dogs. I remember I had a Watch Dogs one on iOS 10. So similar to that, and there's about 6 of them. And there's also the hand one, which I'm going to cut into the video right here. That one is also one I used for a bit before I changed back to the Polygon. And like I said, there's some other ones which you might find interesting. There's some spinning cubes. So yeah, just check it out, and he's got more coming very soon. So this is a really cool thing to like spice up your device when you're respringing, so you don't have to like look at the constant round. The next trick is called dark mail, and dark mail basically kind of says what it does. It makes your mail dark. So I really like this two-tone from the dark mail though. So it's not completely dark, but you have like black or dark on top and dark below and white in the middle, and it just makes it look really classy, like a nice two-tone color. So that's dark mail. This one I'm definitely going to keep. The next trick is called better settings, and you probably saw this, but my settings basically has like a nice background to it. And yeah, this is better settings, and you can do a few other things with better settings as well. So you can change it, you can make a custom background color, you can make a custom background image as well. This was the default one. I was just like, just give me a background image, and it gave me this. So yeah, this tweak is pretty cool, so make sure you check this out. It gives a new dynamic to your settings. The next trick is called Small Siri, and it basically makes your Siri small, kind of like it says. And this is what it looks like. And hey Siri, let's just see what Siri is gonna say. Okay, so Siri is still the same, and well, she's smaller now, and it allows you to do other stuff while you still have Siri up there, so that's pretty cool. The next tweak is a really neat tweak, and I can see myself living this on my phone. It's called Size Finder. So basically when you hold down to kind of like delete an app, it shows you the size of the app in the left corner where you usually have the X. and it's really handy, so I can see all the sizes of all my games. So PUBG is 2.19 gigs, and my motorsport manager is, I believe, 539. It's quite difficult to see that in the left corner. The next tweak is called Photo Lockdown, and Photo Lockdown is not new, but it is new to iOS 11. And with Photo Lockdown, you can basically stop people from like swiping left or right on your photos. So this is just one photo I'm going to pick, and when you hit the lock button down there, when you do swipe, it just takes pictures of whoever might be trying to snoop on your device, and it's never ending. And to exit it, you put in your Touch ID and you can exit it, so it does ensure that no one else apart from you can exit out of that. So that's pretty neat. And these next tweaks I'll just mention because I wasn't very particular in making them work. So one is called Top Spotlight, or rather Tap Spotlight, and it basically is supposed to be you tap on your home bar twice and it brings down the spotlight. So rather than like pulling down, you just tap on your home bar twice, and my home bar doesn't show up on my home screen. I don't remember the reason why, but I'm pretty sure it has to do with a theme or a tweak, something like that, or my floaty dock. Please help me in the comments. And Notchification. So Notchification, I'd like you guys to check it out, but if you have the iPhone 10 or you have the iPhone 10 status bar, which I don't right here, you will get like a nice, oh, it's also paid by the way, but you will get like a nice flowery or like a nice red line that goes around your screen when you have notification. So it like presents the notification to you, so it does like the red lines around the sides of the iPhone 10, like round the notch as well, and then presents a notification to you. So if you're looking for that, notification has got you, I think it cost $1. Yeah, so that's notification. But make sure you check the video. It has a video on its page that demonstrates how it works, so that was really neat. Anyways, that's it for this week's Jailbreak Wednesday episode, and like I said at the beginning of the video, I appreciate you guys a lot, and hopefully I see you guys in the next Jailbreak Wednesday. Yum Tosh here, signing out. Peace.